Hi guys, happy Monday. We are going into lesson 12-5, which is we are learning to use fractions or decimals to solve word problems involving money. So we are going to be talking all about money. And of course, we put Mr. Krabs because we all know that he loves money. So you know the deal. Go get your whiteboard, your paper, your pencil, marker, whatever it is that you use to show your work. I have a challenge for you. When you stop and pause me to do the solve and share, take a picture of your work and upload it in your independent practice slides when this is over. I want to see your work. So that's my challenge for you. So, ready? Get what you need and let's get started. Solve and share. A flash drive costs $24 including tax. A customer purchases 3 flash drives and pays the cashier $80. How much change should the cashier give back to the customer? Pause this, try it. There's a couple of steps you need to do in order to solve this. So try it. Okay, so let's go through this together. I'm going to try using a different set of markers. Whoops. Sorry. Doesn't want to work. Okay. Whoops. Never mind. Sticking to these. Okay, so a flash drive costs $24 including tax. So we know that's the total cost. But it says that a customer purchases 3 flash drives. So I know that I could do 24 times 3, but when I'm working with money, we usually have decimal points. So I'm actually going to add. I'm going to get myself used to adding 24 3 times. So we want to add 24 3 times to find out the total before we can find out how much change he gets back. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 2, 4, 6, and 1 is 7. So 3 flash drives cost $72. Now he pays the cashier $80. So I have to figure out how much change he gets back. So would I add or would I subtract? One finger up if you think I would add, 2 fingers up if you think I would subtract. Subtract, because he's going to get money back. So I have to subtract 80 minus 72. So I cannot subtract from 0, so I come over to the tens place, and I make that a 7, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. So his change is $8. So how much change should the cashier give back to the customer? The cashier should give back $8 to the customer. Even if you didn't get it correct, I want to see the work that you did on your whiteboard. Take a picture. Okay. Let's watch this together. Whoops, sorry.
How can you solve word problems involving money? Think about this question during the lesson. Marcus buys a toy airplane and a toy car. How much does Marcus spend? How much more does the toy airplane cost than the toy car? You can draw or use bills and coins to solve problems involving money. What are some coins you can use to help calculate with money? Pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and half dollars. What are some common denominations of bills you can use to help calculate with money? $1, $5, $10, $20, and $50. How can you find how much Marcus spends? Select your answer. Find $3.32 plus $1.12. count on to add each type of coin. $4 plus 40 cents plus 4 cents equals $4.44. Marcus spent $4.44. If the car were paid for by 4 quarters instead of a $1 bill, would the total be different? No, 4 quarters have the same value as $1, so the amount would be the same. There are many combinations of bills and dollars that can be used. How can you find out how much more the airplane costs than the car? Find $3.32 minus $1.12. Start with the cost of the airplane. Then subtract the cost of the car. Count the remaining bills and coins. $2 plus 20 cents equals $2.20. What does the first 2 in $2.20 represent? What does the second 2 represent? The first 2 represents 2 whole dollars. The second 2 represents 2 dimes or 20 hundredths. What does the 0 in $2.20 represent? 0 pennies or 0 hundredths. So the toy airplane costs $2.20 more than the toy car. Now you know how to solve word problems involving money.
Awesome. Whoops. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Okay. So another example, it says find $6.33 divided by 3. Draw or use bills and coins. It says you can use multiplication or division to solve problems involving money. So here they divided $6.33 into 3 equal groups. And when we do that, we have $2.11 in each group. So 3 times $2.11 equals $6.33. So it's really just showing you how you can use bills and coins to solve all different types of problems. So there will be an online tool that I'll show you in your practice slides where you can use coins and bills to help you. Okay, write a fraction and a decimal to describe how the quantities are related. So, a dime is 1/10 of a dollar. So 3 dimes would be 10, 20, 30, or 3/10 of a dollar, or 0.30. Okay, 1 penny is 1/100th of a dollar. So 3 pennies would be 3/100ths of a dollar, or 0.03. Okay, now for some word problems. Sorry, I have to keep moving myself. Put myself down here. Marcus has $15. He buys a movie ticket for $11.25. How much money does Marcus have left? So he has $15. He buys a movie ticket for $11.25. I want to show you a way that you can do this. Just like we did with fractions, we can use a number line to count up. So I want to count up to see how much money I have left from $11.25 to $15. So I want to get to the next whole number or whole dollar, which would be $12. So how do I get, sorry, excuse that dollar sign. How do I get from $11.25 to $12. Well, $11.50, $11.75, $12. So that is 75 cents. Or 0.75. And then to get from 12 to 15, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus $3. So he has $3.75 left over. You could also do $15 minus, $11.25. You just want to make sure you really line up those decimal points to subtract. Make sure you're subtracting across zeros. I personally like to count up to you. You could also use bills and coins and figure it out that way, which you'll see in the online tool in your practice slides. Hannah bought a catcher's mitt for $30.73 and a bat for $19.17. How much did Hannah spend? So I want to make sure I'm lining up everything really nicely. So I want to put my dollar sign, $30. That decimal point makes us say and 73 cents. And I'm figuring out how much she spent in all, so I'm adding plus $19.17. In my ones place, 7 plus 3 is 10. Put my 0, carry my 1, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you carry the decimal point down. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. Don't forget your dollar sign. Hannah spent $49.90. Okay. Colleen purchases a new cell phone for $136.84. She pays with three $50 bills. How you would estimate how much change Colleen should receive. Well, three $50 bills. 50 and 50 is 100, plus another 50 is $150. So three $50 bills is $150. If I were to round $136.84 to the nearest tens place, I could round this nice and even up to 6, will make my 3 go up to a 4, to $140. So if I subtracted that, I get about $10 in change. So what I did was I figured out my three $50 bills, and to make it nice and even, I rounded to the nearest 10 and I subtracted. So she should get about $10 left. I say about because we did estimate. Okay, this is our last problem, and it's a little bit of a multi-step problem. So Aiden bought 7 concert tickets for himself and 6 friends. So himself and 6 friends is 7 people, 7 concert tickets for a total of $168. Each friend paid Aiden back for his or her ticket. If one of Aiden's friends gave him a $50 bill, how much change should Aiden return? Explain. Okay, so all 7 of them cost $168. So in order for us to figure out how much change he should get back, we have to figure out what each person spent. So I need to divide 168 divided by the 7 people to figure out what each person spent. So I'm going to start with 20. 7 times 20 is 140. 8 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. How many times does 7 go into 28? 4 times. 0. I add this up. Each person spent how much money? Good, $24. But am I finished? No. It says that one of his friends paid with a $50 bill. And how much change should he receive? So you could either count up from 24 to 50, or I'll show you the other way. We could subtract 50 minus 24. This becomes a 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Aiden's friend receives $26 in change. Amazing job. Now go try on your own. 12-5 independent practice slides. Since this is a lot of showing your work, I asked for pictures. If for some reason you cannot take pictures, try to show your work in there. But if you can upload it right to your computer, that would be awesome so I can see your work. If you have the school Chromebook, you know how to take pictures. And if you have another Chromebook and you know how to take pictures, try to show your work. Great job. Go complete your slides.